Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. This is Mohammad Rafe and you are watching Tech Studio. Today we are going to review and unbox the Antec Neptune 240 liquid cooler. If you are someone who is looking for a budget liquid cooler, then this video is definitely for you. I will say thanks to Pak Dukan and Antec for giving me this opportunity to review this liquid cooler. I'm mentioning their link down below into the description. Do visit them. Let's start the unboxing. Well, this is the box for the Neptune 240 ARGB. It's pretty well packed. Let's open it. Well, first in the box you will see the user manual in which all the instructions are written how to fit this cooler into your case. Let's move to the next one. Well, here you will find the two ARGB fans from the Antec, which contains all your screws and the fittings to fit these with the cooler into your CPU. The build quality is really nice. Let's move to the Well, here are the brackets for fitting this cooler on your motherboard. You will feel all the 4 brackets. The first one is AM4 backplane, button screws, 2011 screws, AMD bracket, Intel bracket, and TR4 bracket. And here is the cooler. This is the fan controller for controlling the fans. Came with the cooler. And the main thing I love about this cooler is the Antec branding name over here. It looks really nice when you fit this into the case. And this is the pump. I must say the quality of the pump is really great. It's come with the thermal paste, and this is the SATA cable. Well, the best thing about this liquid cooler, this radiator is powered by the SATA power connector. If your motherboard don't have any ARGB headers, you can easily power it by using the SATA power connectors. And like the Prism 120 ARGB fans, the Antec has provided the fan controller into the box, which will make your job easy. The overall build quality of the cooler is pretty decent. It has a thin CPU block which also has RGBs into it. The water pressure is 1.2 meter high for assuring the efficient cooling of the cooler. Well, the tubes of the cooler is coated by the PTEF material, which helps in resisting the corrosion, also the aging of the cooler. Well, the fans provided in the box produces the speed of 900 RPM to 1600 RPMs. Also, doesn't exceed the sound level of 36 decibels. So the overall Neptune liquid cooler is pretty amazing into the price tag. It has all the lighting and the RGBs into it. Also, it has a pretty decent build quality. I will say a thumbs up to this liquid cooler. I hope you like my video. Do mention your thoughts into the comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need your support into my work, and I will see you into the next one. Thank you.